Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Very quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the camera fuses are located on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2000 and 2010 to year 2017. We'll need to check two fuses in two different fuse boxes. We'll talk about the relays as well. By the way, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well, guys. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. So the camera fuses, relays, cam, guys, will show you where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on that generation Chevy Equinox right here. Quick advice from us: 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location Diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you a lot of money, guys. Come in here on the front right side, open the front right door, guys. Passenger door, come in the footwell compartment. One of the fuse boxes is right here on the center console in front of the passenger seat. You see that's the cover. Just open that cover. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Depending whether you have that option or not, year, model and all that stuff, you may have both fuses, you may have just one, you may not have any. We'll talk about that, guys. But the first fuse that you need to check, if you have it, we're talking specifically about fuse number 23 right here. I believe this is the one if you have the front camera, guys, but it's a camera related fuse, so if you have it, check that fuse right here. Next you need to go ahead and open the hood facing the engine, guys. Okay, right here on the driver's side you have a fuse box. It has one clip here, one there. You just squish together, lift the cover up, and underneath that's the main engine fuse box. Here, specifically here, guys, we need to check one more fuse, okay, for the camera, guys. Okay, let's explain, okay, where you can expect to find it. This fuse, guys, is known as fuse number 54, and that fuse, okay, let me get a better angle of that fuse box that you can actually see things a little bit clearer, guys. You see fuse number 54, okay, we're talking about this fuse right here. That's the main fuse that you will need to check. What about relays? You don't have any relays. You just have these fuses that are known as relay fuses that you need to check. If your camera doesn't work, we'll have a video on the channel that will explain why camera doesn't work on Chevy Equinox. It will teach you how to fix it, guys. Check it out. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, interior fuse box, we want to show you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you are stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful and see you guys next time.